Now that we have Blender Octane open, we're going to start by importing in the two FBX files. First thing we're going to do is delete everything in the scene. We don't need anything in here. We're just using this scene as a setup scene to make sure that all the iClone characters gets imported incorrectly and to make sure that the materials have been converted correctly. Go to File, Import, FBX, and now the two files we're going to select the smaller one, which has about 7 actors in it. Hit Import, give it a second. Okay, so we have our characters here. We're going to hide the armature by going to Select, Armature, hit H to hide. Now select all 7 characters and go to the material. From the Convert dropdown, click on Convert to Octane Materials and select all materials in the selected object. Click OK. And now let's drag a window open here. And we're going to go into the shader editor. And every time we click a character, we can see that it's now using Octane Universal Materials. Okay, let's do a test render. Let's preview the render. It looks like I do need a camera in there, so let me put in a camera really quick. Okay. Looks like we always need to have at least one camera in the scene. Okay, everything looks good here for these. Now let's import in the larger crowd simulation. Let's go to Import, FBX, and we're going to click the bigger one this time. Give it a second. Okay, looks like everything has been imported in. We're going to do the same thing as before, which is to select the armature and hide it. Let's select one actor first, and now we're going to select everyone else. We're going to deselect the earlier models that we've already converted. And now we're going to go and do the same thing as before, which is convert all materials into selected objects. Click OK. If you select different models, you'll start seeing that they have the universal materials applied to them. Let's test render it to see how it works. Now it looks like all the characters have their materials applied correctly. We're gonna use this and import it into our full scene with all our buildings, and then we can start rendering. So let's save this and let's move on to our full scene.